guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about 7 easy natural acne remedies for your skin if you're getting any kind of flare-ups or spots. I occasionally get some really bad ones, and these are things that I use to try and dissipate them. Obviously, I believe that healing yourself from the inside out is optimal. You need to be careful about what you're eating, so these are just an additional thing that you can do to try and improve your skin. Now, I use all of these and can attest that I am happy with them, but all skins are different, so give them a try and let me know if any of them are suitable for you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and hit that little notification bell so that you never miss another video. Please let me know also in the comment section below what you think, or if you have any other remedies that you think are wonderful and just really want to share. Anyway, without any further ado, let's just get straight into the video. So the first one is tea tree oil. If you put a few drops of tea tree oil in some water, make sure it's nice and diluted. I like to dab a sort of cotton or reusable pad in there so that I can use that to dab directly onto my spots. You need to make sure that you dilute it because it can be quite strong, so if you just dilute a few drops in a little bit of water and apply it directly to your spots, it really helps to dry them out and therefore heal them. The second one is an oat flour mask. Now, I like to just blend up some oats that I have already in the cupboard. I just blend up 1 cup so I have it readily available, and then I just put a couple of tablespoons and some water into a bowl and mix it in. And then it turns into basically what looks like porridge. And you want to apply that to your face all over and leave on for about 10 minutes. Now, this can be quite hard to get off, so you might want to use a warm water and cloth. But it's really great for soothing your skin, and I always feel like my skin feels so much softer afterwards. Number 3 is apple cider vinegar, but again, if you have sensitive skin, you might want to dilute it a little bit more. But in general, I use 1 part apple cider vinegar to 3 parts water. And I just mix this in and dilute it a little bit, and again, apply it directly to my spots. I do this several times a day because it helps to, again, dry them out and helps the healing process much quicker. If you do have dry skin, I would make sure to use a moisturizer after you do this process, but if you don't, then you don't need to use it at all. The next one is aloe vera, and for a low waste alternative, I would suggest actually purchasing an aloe vera plant. I've had this one for a while, and it is a wonderful source of obviously aloe vera, and it means that it will replenish itself. And a lot of aloe vera comes in plastic bottles, so I really would suggest getting your own plant, and then you can have a really nice healthy store. So all you're going to be doing is cutting off a piece of that aloe vera leaf, probably not very much, probably not as much as I did here, and then you're just going to be opening it up and applying the gel straight to your face. Either you can just put it all over your face like I do because it's wonderful, cooling and anti-inflammatory, or you can apply it just directly to your spots. Leave it on and then wash off afterwards. Or if you're just dabbing it on, you can leave it on your face. You don't need to wash it off. It's just if you put it all over your face, then you might have a bit of a slimy face. The next one doesn't use anything at all. It's just to simply steam your face. I like to do this maybe once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks, and I just put some boiling water into a bowl, and then I put my face over it and a towel, and then it steams my face. It's completely up to you. Some people say that this works and some people say that it's nonsense, so you might as well give it a try since it's just water. I personally really like it, and I feel like my skin feels a lot softer afterwards, but it's all a personal choice, so give it a go and let me know what you think. The next one is more of a kind of practical thing, and it's to wash your pillowcases. Some of us get quite lazy and we don't wash our pillowcases often enough, but that can actually trap all the bacteria and dirt from our hair, all the oils that are in our hair, and from our face if you haven't washed it. And so it collects that, and you're basically just rubbing it back into your face every single night. So I would suggest washing your pillowcases at least once a week. And that way you can ensure that you're getting rid of all of that dirt and oil from your hair, from your pillowcases, so you're not just perpetuating the dirt on your face. The next one is to mash a whole load of mint leaves and use the juice or the kind of muddled leaves to wipe on your face. I found that the mint acts like a really nice kind of cooling agent, similarly to aloe vera, and it's much more easily readily available, especially to grow yourself. If you have a little mint plant in your house or on your windowsill in a tiny flat like I do, it's really, really nice and low waste way to ensure that you can cool your skin down, especially if you've got a few little flare-ups. You can just apply the muddled mint to your face, let it cool, leave it on for 10 minutes and then wash it off. I really like this one because it makes my face smell like a mojito. And one extra one, just for good luck, is to drink a shit ton of water. Anyway, these are just my really simple natural tips. You have nothing to lose by trying them because none of these products are expensive because they're all natural. It's just oats, aloe vera, some apple cider vinegar, some mint, washing your pillowcase, and you know, a few other things, but that's it. And I swear by the oat flower mask, seriously, and the apple cider vinegar dabbing, and aloe vera. Especially if you get any sunburn, aloe vera is such a great thing to have nearby just to kind of rub on and cool yourself down. But please guys, don't get burnt. Anyway, that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, please like if you liked it and subscribe if you want to see more. I want to be doing lots more kind of DIY homemade stuff so that we can move away from short bought stuff that's often in really damaging plastic packaging for the environment, and try and do better for ourselves and for the planet. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys hopefully very soon. Bye.